Good morning students. Welcome to grade 9 mathematics class. Today we are going to learn about the continuation of the previous class. Okay. For that, first of all, we are going to learn the example 1.31. It was in page number 31. Okay. You can turn over the page number 31. Okay. What is the example 1.31 now? In a party of 60 people, you can turn over the page 31. Okay. In a party of 60 people, 35 had vanilla ice cream, 30 had chocolate ice cream. All the people had at least one ice cream. Then how many of them had? First one, here 3 subdivision they asked to find out both vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Second one, only vanilla ice cream. Third one, only chocolate ice cream. Here 3 questions they asked to find out. Here 2 items are mentioned. Is it? What are they? Vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream. So we have to make the, if you are using the Venn diagram method, we have to draw 2 intersecting circle, or else you can use the formula method also, which is easy. You are feeling that you can follow. Okay, better we can use Venn diagram method, that is easy. Let us do now. Okay, 3 subdivision they asked to find out. Is it? First one is both vanilla and chocolate ice cream. Both means this intersection part. Okay, this one. Second one is only vanilla ice cream, this part alone. Okay, this part alone. Third one is only chocolate ice cream, this one alone. Okay, before that, so what is vanilla, what is chocolate? We have to mention that. Let we be the set of people who had vanilla ice cream, and let C be the set of people who had chocolate ice cream. Okay, let us write solution. Let we be the set of people who had vanilla ice cream, and C be the set of people who had chocolate ice cream. So what is the number of elements? How many of them having vanilla ice cream? So how many of them having chocolate ice cream? We have to find out. First we have to write from the given question. What is given? In a party of 60 people, 35 had vanilla ice cream. So vanilla we have taken V, no? So N of V is equal to, okay, 35 had vanilla and 30 had chocolate. So N of V equal to 35 and N of C equal to 30, and all the people had at least one. Then how many of them had both vanilla and chocolate ice cream? Second one, only vanilla ice cream. Third, only chocolate ice cream. In a party of 60 people, 35 had vanilla ice cream, 30 had chocolate ice cream. All the people had at least one ice cream. Okay, how many of them had this 3? We have to find out. So here there are 60 people, is it? That is union. Okay, 60 people there are. So N of V union C equal to 60, comma, N of V, number of people having vanilla ice cream, equal to 35, comma, N of C equal to number of people having chocolate ice cream, equal to 30. Okay, did you clear this one? How many of them having the total number of people is 60. That is V union C. Okay, vanilla and chocolate. Now some of the having vanilla, that is N of V, that is 35. Some of the having chocolate ice cream, that is number of people having chocolate ice cream, that is N of C equal to 30. Understood, students? Next, now using Venn diagram we are going to verify easily. Okay, so this is first circle is V, vanilla. Second circle is C. Okay, here let us take number of people who had only who had both ice cream. This part, both intersection part, X. We don't know. We have to find out. This part let us take X. So 35 of them having vanilla, no? So this X is both. So this X we have to subtract. Okay. Now similarly 30 of them having chocolate. This X is both vanilla and chocolate. So this X we have to subtract from here. Did you understand this one? X number we don't know how many of them having both ice cream, that we consider as X. Okay, 35 of them vanilla. So among this 35, X of them like both. So this X we have to subtract. Understood, students? Similarly, here 30 of them like chocolate. Among this 30, X of them like both. So this X we have to subtract. Understood? Now first subdivision we are going to verify. Okay, let X be the number of students or people. Okay, number of students or number of peoples who had both ice creams. Now from the Venn diagram easily we can find out. Okay, from the Venn diagram we have X we have taken both, is it? So we are going to find the first both vanilla and chocolate ice cream. That is the first question. This yes, X we have to find out. What we have to do for that? We know this first circle is considered as vanilla. Second circle is considered as chocolate. Okay, there are 60 people are there, is it? So using the formula N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A is equal to N of A intersection B. Using that formula, this one we are going to find out. Okay, what is the formula? If we consider this is A, this is B, listen carefully. If we consider this is A, this is B, this part, only this V part, okay, except this one. This is A, this is B. So A minus B is only 35 minus X, is it? Similarly, this one C minus B is only 30 minus X, is it? This intersection part, A intersection B is X. We have the formula N of A minus B plus N of A intersection B plus N of B minus A is equal to N of A union B. Okay, using that condition we are going to find out. Okay, we have to find the number of students having both, no? So X. So if you are using that formula, easily we can find out. So sum of all this. Okay, sum of all this 35 minus X plus this X plus 30 minus X is equal to total. Okay, V union C. Okay, so sum of, so from the Venn diagram, this 35 minus X. Okay, 35 minus X plus X plus 30 minus X. Sum of all this both set equal to union V union C. V union C is 60. So from the Venn diagram we can write 35 minus X plus X plus 30 minus x equal to B union C. What is B union C? 60. Did you understand, students? This B set plus C set is given 60. B set is 35 minus x, intersection part is x, and this is 30 minus x equal to together, that is B union C. B union C is given 60. Using this we can find out easily x value. Okay, so from the Venn diagram can write 35 minus x plus x plus 30 minus x. Okay, sum of all this both set, that means union, equal to V union C, that is 60. Did you understand? That is 60. Now here this minus x plus x 0 can be cancelled. Okay, remaining let us write 35 plus 30 minus x equal to 60. Now this both let us add it. 65 minus x equal to 60. Okay. Now this x bring that side. Okay. So this minus x, when we change the side, it will become plus x. Okay. So 65. This number term take one side. So 60 bring here. So this plus 60, when we bring this side, it will become minus 60 is equal to, when we take this minus x to right side, it will become plus x. Okay. Now 65 minus 60 equal to x. That is 5 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 5. What is this x? X be the number of students who had both ice cream. Okay. Number of, so here you have to write number of students who had, number of students or number of peoples can write. Okay. Number of peoples who had both ice creams equal to 5. Okay. Similarly, second subdivision. Okay. So second subdivision is number of people who had only vanilla ice cream. Okay, that is from the Venn diagram. See this, from the Venn diagram, number of people who had only vanilla means, only vanilla means except this C circle. Okay, C circle we should not touch. Okay, remaining is 35 minus x. Okay, only vanilla. So this C circle we should not touch. Okay, this x also included in C both, so that we should not take, only vanilla. So except this part, so this part alone we have to take, that is 35 minus x, only vanilla, 35 minus x. Okay, x is we have 5. Okay, so that is number of people who had only vanilla, that is 35 minus x, which is equal to 35 minus 5, which is equal to 30. Similarly, third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Number of people who had only chocolate ice cream. Okay, so number of people who had only chocolate ice cream equal to, from the Venn diagram, what do you find? Only chocolate ice cream is 30 minus x. Okay, so 30 minus x is 30 minus 5. X is we have 5, is it? So 30 minus 5 is 25. Okay, which is equal to 30 minus 5, which is equal to 25. Understood, students? Next, exercise 1.6, question number 5. In a party of 45 people, okay, number of people 45. Each one likes tea or coffee. Here also two items mentioned, tea or coffee, or both. 35 people like, among this 45, 35 of them like tea and 20 of them like coffee. Find the number of people who like both tea and coffee, means intersection part. Both means intersection part. Do not like tea. Do not like tea means they may like coffee. Okay, so tea part we should not touch. Here do not like coffee, so they like tea. So here coffee part we should not touch. Okay, so by Venn diagram easily we can do. Let us do. So for here two items they mentioned. For that we can give T be the set of people who like tea and C be the set of people who like coffee. Okay. Let T, capital T, be the set of people who like tea, and C be the set of people who like coffee. Okay, for tea we take the capital letter T, and for for coffee we take the first letter C. Okay, now number of people who like coffee, who like tea, number of people who like both, it was given. No? Let's write that. So number of people who like tea, that is n of t, okay, is equal to 35, comma, number of people who like coffee equal to, that is n of c, equal to 20, and number of in a party of 45 people, okay, that is union, T union C, okay, and number of peoples, that is n of T union C is equal to here, and n of T union C, given number of peoples, okay, total number of peoples, that is 45. Among this 45 only 35 of them only tea, 35 of them like tea, and 20 of them like coffee. Okay, so given people in a party there are 45 peoples, that is union. Okay, so by Venn diagram we can find out easily. Here three subdivision. First one is like both means intersection part. Second, do not like. Okay, first one is both tea and coffee, intersection part. Second one is do not like tea. Do not like tea meaning is they like coffee. Okay, so except tea, okay, remaining. Here do not like coffee means they like tea. Okay, so except coffee. So by Venn diagram easily we can find out. Okay, here two items mentioned, tea and coffee. Okay, so we have to draw the two intersecting circles. First one, let us take it tea, for that tea. Okay, second one coffee, for that C let us take. Now intersection part we don't know, we have to find out how many of them like both coffee and tea, that is let us take X. Okay, we don't know. So there are 35 of them like tea, okay, and 20 of them like coffee. Here among this X of them like both, so we have to subtract the X here. Similarly here also we have to subtract X. Okay, now by Venn diagram first question is like both tea and coffee, like both tea and coffee. Very simple. Let us take a X with this very both tea and coffee means this intersection part. X we have to find out. So let us write, let X be the number of people who like both tea and coffee. Okay, now by Venn diagram so both means intersection part alone. So here also this T and C together is given 45. There are 45 people, is it like that given? There are 45 people. So see tea and coffee together 45 peoples like that given. So t is 35 minus x, intersection part is x. So 20, here coffee is 20 minus x. So sum of all this, both the circle. So 35 minus x plus this intersection part x plus this coffee part is 20 minus x equal to given total number of people is 45. Okay, now this plus x minus x can be cancelled. Remaining this 35 plus this 20 minus this x equal to 45. Okay, now let us add this 35 and 20. We get 55 minus x equal to 45. Now this number term bring here and this x term bring here. So 55, when we take this 45 to this side, it will become minus 45 equal to, take this minus x to right side, it will become plus x. Okay, when we are changing the sides, it will change the sign. Okay, so 55 minus 45 equal to 10. 10 equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 10. So, number of people who like both the tea and coffee equal to 10. First subdivision over. Let's do the second subdivision. What is the second subdivision here? Number of people do not like tea. Okay. Number of people do not like tea. Number of people do not like tea. So do not like tea means they will like coffee. Okay, they will like coffee. Coffee means except this tea circle. This tea circle fully we should not touch. Okay, remaining. So 20 minus x. Understand, students? This 20 minus x alone we have to take. Do not like tea. So tea circle we should not touch. Okay, remaining is this 20 minus x alone. So number of people do not like tea is equal to, which is equal to, from the Venn diagram, 20 minus x, which is equal to 20 minus x value we have 10. Okay, now when we subtract we get 10. Okay, understood? Next, third subdivision. Third one is number of people do not like coffee. Okay, coffee. Do not like coffee means, see the Venn diagram. Do not like coffee means they like tea. Okay, so this coffee circle, this circle we should not touch. Okay, only remaining part. So 35 minus x. Understand? Number of people do not like coffee means they like tea, is it? So this coffee do not like coffee. So this coffee circle we should not touch. Remaining is this 35 minus x alone. Understood? So which is equal to 35 minus x, which is equal to 35 minus x is 10. Okay, which is equal to 35 minus 10 is 25. Okay, understood, students? These are the today's question. Okay, students, you have to practice well both the questions and complete the questions. Okay, thank you, students.